Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. And if we just observe the chart like this, then probably you won't have any answer because we do not get a clear picture about the chart of USD CAD if we just look at the chart like this. Okay, so let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USD CAD and what are the best trading opportunities or what is the best trading opportunities on USD CAD for us. So first of all, if we look at the trend here, then we can see that after this huge fall on USD CAD, right now there is not much movement. Yes, USD CAD is trying to recover on the chart here, but you can see that the buying pressure is missing. Try to understand the market psychology here. You can see that USD CAD is trying to go up, but do you see the buying power? Do you see the strength of the buyers? No, the strength is missing. Okay, but yes, we cannot ignore the fact that it has been quite some time that market is trying to recover. So yes, okay, and now you can see that I have added few lines here. Okay, so this trend line was acting as a dynamic resistance for the market, and you can see that market has crossed this level as well. Previously 1.2425, this level 1.2425 was also acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, but now you can see that market has also crossed this level as well. So therefore market has crossed both the resistances. Okay, market has crossed both the resistances and now trading above this level as well. So the last traded price of USD CAD is 1.2452 and we had a resistance at 1.2425. Clear? And as we all know, resistance becomes support in the market and support becomes resistances. So we can hope that this level 1.2425 will now be acting as the new support for the market. Yes, previously this level was the resistance for the market, but as you can see that market has been trading above this level for quite some time. Therefore 1.2425 is the new support for the market. Okay, now let me take you to the weekly chart once to show you something. So this is the weekly chart of USD CAD here, and you can see that market was falling. Okay, listen to me carefully. Market was falling, and after that you can see that 3 weeks ago market formed a doji. Last week also market formed a doji. For 2 consecutive weeks market formed dojis. What does doji candle signifies? Doji signifies indecision in the market. Doji signifies battle between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, so market was in indecision mode for last 2 weeks. There was a battle going on in the chart of USD CAD for the last 2 weeks, and this week market has formed a small green candle. So if we look at, or if you just try to understand the emotion of USD CAD here on the weekly chart, then there is a possibility that after in the indecision mode for 2 weeks market is trying to recover, and yes, there is a possibility of USD CAD going up from here. Okay, so our strategy is simple, and I think in the chart of USD CAD we only have a single strategy right now, or the single trading opportunity that I see. Okay, if you think that my analysis is incorrect, if you think that there are some other opportunities as well, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Okay, and the opportunity that I see is that if we find market bouncing or taking support at this level, yes, if we find market taking support at this particular level here, and bouncing from here, definitely we can go for a buy, because support, or sorry, resistance will, previously this level was resistance and now it is new support for the market. So if you find market taking support here, going up from here, definitely you can go for buy. Just make sure that you are using proper stop loss below 1.2425. Yes, your stop loss should be below this level, and at any cost do not mess with the stop loss, because see, this is the only trading opportunity that I see on the chart of USD CAD right now. Okay, because we are hoping that this level is the new support for the market, but still we do not have the confirmation yet, and most importantly, this is not a very strong support for the market. So if you find market taking support above this level on Monday, go for buy. Okay, and be careful as well. And if you want to avoid USD CAD for Monday, you can avoid totally your decision. Okay, and if I take you to the 15 minutes chart of USD CAD here, you can see that 1.2480 may be a small problem. Okay, maybe a small problem for USD CAD. USD CAD may face some selling pressure in this level and may reverse also. Whatever, if you find market bouncing from 2425 level, go for buy, or if you want, totally your decision. Okay, but looking at the present scenario in the market, there is a good possibility of USD CAD breaking 1.2480 level. Okay, so you do not need to worry about this level as of now. If it really takes a sharp turn from this level, then I'll be covering on Monday. But right now, let's stick to our strategy of taking a buy position if market stays above this level, respects this level on Monday as well. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.